Hi everyone, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart, May 9th Tuesday market. After 12 o'clock we have received a sell signal in our chart. It's an automatic buy sell signal generator. In this chart automatically you will receive calls like signals in this chart. Today at 12:55 we have received a sell call, so red color candle open. That straight white line from red color candle, entry point line, sell at 43,459. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. On daily basis in live market, it will analyze the market movement and generate calls like this in live market. So it's a automatic buy sell signal generator. It can automatically analyze and generate the calls. Today we have received the sell call at 43,459. First target 43,351, 108 point first target range. After 30 minutes of market movement, it finally able to break out the first target range of 43,351. Like this today, sell call generated and break out the target. For chart subscription, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. First 10 minutes of sell call generated, flat momentum, very flat sideways momentum. After 10 minutes, market in downside direction and break out the target. Like this today call generated and achieved the first target range. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means send me a hi message in WhatsApp, will provide the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.